change as you come towards 4, taking through 4 to 5. And now the big challenge as you come towards gate 7 and 6. Starbuck from Spain. Fastest time so far, Walcott from Osborne, 1:29.66. And here we go, come towards gate 5. Hopefully we don't judge that one as well. And we're currently watching Olive Farber playing hers.